Hola a todos, en esta mini lección vamos a hablar de los artículos definidos y también vamos a hablar de algún vocabulario de la unidad. Entonces tenemos la palabra baile, utilizamos el artículo el baile. Los bailes, plural, utilizamos el artículo los. La fiesta, fiesta, artículo la. Fiestas, artículo las. Cine, el cine. Cines, los cines. Los artículos definidos, que en inglés sería como el artículo that. So, tenemos femenino o masculino. Si el sustantivo, that means noun, es femenino singular, utilizamos la, pero si es femenino plural, utilizamos las. Si tenemos un artículo, si tenemos un sustantivo masculino singular, utilizamos el, pero si tenemos un artículo masculino plural, utilizamos los. Okay, so we are going to talk about the definite articles. It is important to know that in Spanish there is an agreement between the articles and adjective and the noun, if this is feminine or masculine, and this is the noun is plural or singular. Yeah, so when we have a noun that is feminine singular, I will use the article la. Yeah, but if I had a noun that is feminine plural, I will use the definite article las. If we have a noun that is masculine and singular, I will use the article el. But if I have a noun that is masculine and plural, I will use the article los. Okay, so if we pay attention to the words that or the nouns that I talked about before, like baile, it means that this noun is masculine and is singular, and that's why I use el. Yeah. So here means that I am using los. It means that the word or the noun is masculine and is plural. Fiesta means that this noun is feminine and singular. But if I have fiestas, it means that the word is feminine and plural. That's why I use las. But cine, is a noun that is masculine and singular. That's why I use el. But cines means that this word is masculine but is plural, so I will use los. Yeah. So you will also be reading the consultorio gramatical on page 17 when you have some information related to gender and number, articles and nouns. We're going to talk about sustantivos that in Spanish, but it's the same nouns, yeah? Nouns that in Spanish means sustantivos. And as I explained you before, like nouns are in agreement with the articles are in agreement with the noun if this is masculine or singular or feminine, plural. Okay, so please read this information that is really important. Most of the time we think that if the word and the vowel a, the noun is feminine, and if the noun ends in o, they're masculine, and there are some exceptions, many exceptions that you have to pay attention Yeah, so please read this important information related to if the word is feminine or masculine. For example, nouns that end in sion, sion, that, esa, ura are feminine. So this kind of things that are really, really important and help you to understand, or maybe make easier that you know if the noun is feminine or masculine. Otherwise, or I also invite you to check a dictionary. You are not sure when you have a noun in Spanish and you are not sure if this noun is feminine or masculine. If you check on a dictionary, you will find something like, in this case, for example, the word casa, they say sustantivo femenino. So you will know that you will use the article, la. Yeah, like for example, we have the word of the noun mano. Yeah, mano. You will know that is sustantivo femenino, still when the word and o, so this word is feminine. So I really invite you to check a dictionary. You are not sure if the noun is feminine or masculine. Like I explained you before, you will be able to read this information on your book, and also you will have some activities and some tutorials that will help you or provide more information related to this topic, and how they form or make that a singular word become plural, or the singular and plural formation. So you will see some examples, and you will have the opportunity to practice through my Spanish lab. So please let me know if you need extra information or you don't understand something, and so hasta luego.